Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Ads for maximum ROI step by step clearly. Start by setting clear goals for your Google Ads campaign. Identify the specific outcomes you want to achieve, such as increased website traffic or higher sales conversions. Next, create a Google Ads account if you don't have one already. Visit ads.google.com and follow the prompts to set up your account. Once your account is active, choose the campaign type that best aligns with your goals. For example, you may select search, display, or shopping campaigns. Set a realistic budget that fits your marketing strategy. Consider starting with a daily budget that allows you to gather enough data. After budgeting, select your target audience. Use demographic data, interests, and behaviors to focus your ads on potential customers. Proceed to choose relevant keywords for your campaign. Utilize tools like Google's Keyword Planner to find high-performing keywords. Make sure to include a mix of broad and specific keywords. Now, create compelling ad copy that attracts clicks. Ensure your headlines and descriptions clearly communicate your value proposition. Incorporate a strong call to action in your ads to encourage user engagement. Next, design attractive landing pages that align with your ads. Ensure your landing pages provide relevant content and a smooth user experience. Set up conversion tracking in your Google Ads account. This will help you measure the effectiveness of your ads in driving desired actions. Review and adjust your bids based on performance data. Consider using automated bidding strategies to optimize your ad spend. Regularly monitor your campaign performance through Google Ads reports. Look for patterns in engagement and conversion rates to identify what works best. Test different ad variations to find the most effective messages. Use A/B testing to compare performance between different ads. Finally, continually refine your strategy based on insights gathered. Stay updated with Google Ads features and industry trends to maintain maximum ROI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.